the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, we got a tutorial on a GSXR 750 ECU removal. Now today I have the pleasures of working with a brand spanking new 2020 GSXR 750, and I wanted to take a quick second to show you how to remove the ECU in order to send it in for our ECU flash. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna need a couple tools, 5mm Allen, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So anyways, all you gotta do, just kind of stick your fingers under this, pry real hard, and this will just pop off. So it is held together with fancy Velcro and a little grommet right there. And there's the rubber stud. You're gonna remove that. Now for time sakes, I have already removed or loosened these screws in the gas tank. You're gonna remove these next, and then you're also gonna remove the front seat. You'll do that with your 5mm Allen wrench, and one-handedly we're gonna take this out. I'll be back in just a second once we get all these screws out. All right guys, so just like that, we got the gas tank, the seat off, the gas tank up, side panels here, 2 gas tank bolts, 2 seat bolts in the seat. And remember earlier when I said you would use a Phillips head screwdriver? That's where I tricked you. You're gonna use a 10mm socket, not a Phillips head screwdriver. I was thinking of another bike. But there's 3 bolts to remove right here. You're gonna take these out. We've got a little panel here that kind of holds the ECU into place. You're going to remove that panel. And just like that, you have gained access to your ECU. You're going to just pull it up and slide it out of there. You got 2 plug-ins. We're gonna do this one-handed. Boom and boom. Put this in the mail. Go to moremafia.com, get our contact information, put it in the mail, and poof, once you get it back, horsepower in the mailbox. All right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned what you needed to learn. If you got any questions, contact us through the moremafia.com website with your email, and we'll answer all your questions. All right guys, thanks for watching. See ya.